my question for you is blue, 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 blue.
बकवास क्यों कर रहा है?
Why are you smiling?
Shut up.
Just serious, okay?
Okay, fine. Internship wasn't funny.
What happened in Alibag never stayed in Alibag.
टीना सरकार, my very interesting roommate. Literally वो अपना बैग एक बार स्टेशन पे भूल आई थी, किंग सर्कल स्टेशन पे, और हम लोग बांद्रा चले गए थे. बांद्रा से जब हम लोग वापस आए तो किंग सर्कल पे उसका बैग देखने के लिए, तो उसका बैग ना ऐसे पूरा सील होके रखा था, जिस चेयर मतलब जिस उस पे रखा था वो पूरा ऐसे सील था उसके आजू बाजू. एंड दे थॉट कि इसमें कोई बॉम्ब तो भी रहेगा.
I was posted in trauma and it was raining very heavily, 2 o'clock in the night, and ma'am says 2 patient को CT के लिए लेके जाना है. I said, ma'am, it's raining, and I became happy being an intern that I will not have to accompany the patient. And then she's like, I am sending a call for the ambulance, and I'm like, ma'am, ambulance से कहाँ जाना है? She's like, from trauma ward to CT. Ma'am, ambulance में? हाँ. I don't know. I think it was when I put that ICD right into that patient's thorax in all aseptic precautions.
I gave 10 white balls in 2 overs and I was begging the umpire, please let me go, I don't want to play more balls.
SPL first year.
2 दिवस मी थर्ड मेजर पास झालो. ना कुठला ग्रेस ना कुठला डिस्टिंक्शन.
In second year, it was a FMD lecture and I was absentmindedly playing with Devika's hair. And because of me, there was a rule in FMD that boys and girls have to sit in separate sections.
So please shave now.
One of my residents was sitting beside me. You know, Tranitidine and Pantoprazole, both of them. बोला सर दोनों क्यों दिए सर, दोनों सेम एक्ट करेंगे. उसको बहुत ज़्यादा ही एसिडिटी हो गई फिर.
Akhil Kasan's biochemistry viva. In one of the vivas, sir had asked him what are enzymes. You said enzymes are particles. Okay, they are present in blood. So what happens exactly? Do they float in blood or do they sink in blood? So he had actually thought over it for 1 or 2 minutes and then said, first they float and then they sink.
I have to think.
राव सर आमचा लेक्चर घेत होते PSMचा, आणि त्यांनी एक प्रश्न विचारलेला असा की जो कोणीच उत्तर देत नव्हता. सगळे एकमेकांच्या चेहऱ्यांकडे बघत होते आणि मग सरच आम्हाला ते उत्तर द्यायला लागले. आणि सरनी अशी ॲक्शन केली आणि म्हणाले, यू आर नॉट अ रोबो रे.
मी जेव्हा रिव्हॅल्युएशन मध्ये फर्स्ट इयरला पास झालो.
When we won BMC and I felt really proud to be a part of Sion at that time.
Nehal Soyam was a fun memory because in like ANAT में 4-5 मुर्दों के आजू बाजू में we were trying to please one girl. I was told to get an ECG done of an old auntie. So I filled the form and went to her कि आंटी ये लो ECG करके आओ. आंटी was like ये समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करने का. I said आंटी 6 नंबर में जाके छाती का पट्टी निकालो. She is very confused and comes back to me and says, अरे बेटा पर मेरे छाती को पट्टी ही नहीं है.
On day 2 of my first year, the lecturer said that parents are not allowed in the lecture hall.
जेव्हा खडसेच्या पॅन्ट मध्ये उंदीर गेला आणि तो गुदमरून मेला.
एक मेडिसिन का रैच था and then these 2 patients came. He's like कि मुझे बुखार हो रहा है. तो उसने लिया उसका हाथ ऐसे देखा, 2 सेकंड के लिए ऐसे प्रेस किया, मुझे डेंगू है. He's like कैसे? ये देख मैंने ऐसे दबाया, लाल हुआ, तुझे डेंगू है. वो बाजू वाला खुद को कर रहा है, सर मेरा भी लाल हो गया. तो इज लाइक ऐसे नहीं, मैंने 1000 पेशेंट्स देखे, तुझे डेंगू है. वो 2 मिनट उसको देखता है, सर आपकी डिग्री क्या आहे?
सगळ्यात जास्त फनीस्ट मूवी म्हणजे माझी निखिल व्यवहाराची. अचानक रात्री 2 वाजता उठला आणि ओरडत पळत सुटला, मला नापास करू नका.
I don't think it's easy to put it in words.
I can relate the most to this question because for last 1 year I have been away from Sion.
Not the patients, not that much.
Sion itself.
And I'm going to miss all my batchmates. Obviously, we're just a batch of 100, so we're really close knit.
The midnight 3 a.m. pour of Mausi.
Dancing with our teachers, dancing in the festival.
So please shave now.
The Dean's Parking area, GCL.
I guess it's the people.
All the times when we used to sit and watch SPL and SFL outside canteen.
Sandy's canteen.
Sure, me too.
Whenever you enter the canteen, you will always see that even if you're alone and you don't have any company, there's always a table where you can go, sit and have your food. You'll always find some company, either it be your juniors, your seniors, sometimes even your professors.
Doing commentary in SPL.
The friends I made here.
Hostel.
Terrace. I mean, रात को 3 बजे 4 बजे वहाँ उठ के जाना.
SFL, Golden Boots, so personal honor and stuff.
Sitting in the BCR RR canteen for hours doing nothing at all.
Unknown spaces, giving wide smiles.
Canteen food, however good, bad it is, each and every day spent in Sion is something different only.
Friends, एवढे चांगले मित्र मला कधीच मिळाले नाही.
बहुत डिफरेंट हो यार.
5.10 inch to 5.11 inch.
As a person, I've learned to become a bit more mature, definitely.
I've become a lot more patient.
वायवाजमध्ये मी शिकलोय ही सिच्युएशन कशी येऊ दे हँडल करायला शिकवलं.
I think more people can understand me speaking now.
So please shave now.
Yes, I became more chilled out in Sion.
I was a nerd, bookish female, nothing to do in life except study, and I have really grown up.
I think it's made me acceptable to a lot of things. It was a cultural shock, honestly, coming here initially.
मी लोक ओळखायला शिकलो आणि बऱ्याच लोकांसोबत कसं व्यवस्थित इंटरॅक्ट करायचं, बोलायचं हे शिकलो.
I've tried to be less rude than before.
I have become from a dumb person to a less dumb person. I'm a graduate now, so yeah, that's one thing. I've lost hair, like on here, otherwise also everywhere. And I'm still single, so that's not changed. I'm fatter.
I've put on weight.
I've become fat.
Lost 12 kgs.
I've become more careless.
जे इंडिपेंडेंटली कसं जगायचं इथे येऊन शिकलो शहरात.
I used to be very worried कि ये कैसे होगा, पढ़ाई कैसे होगी, so many less days are there, and how do I study and what do I do? And people have told me in Sion कि हो जाएगा, chill, and trust me, हो जाता है, because when a Sionite tells you हो जाएगा, वो हो ही जाता है कैसे भी.
जेव्हा इथे आलो होतो तेव्हा माझ्यामध्ये अजिबातच कॉन्फिडन्स नव्हता आणि कुणाशीही बोलताना मला खूप भीती वाटायची. पण आता मी म्हणजे बऱ्यापैकी चांगल्या प्रकारे बोलू शकतो आणि कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल पण खूप वाढली आहे माझी, आत्मविश्वास वाढला आहे माझा.
ए इंटर्न,
तुझं नाव काय आहे? ध्रुव अंबिगावकर. ध्रुव अंबिगावकर, तू मराठी आहे? तू मराठी नाही असतो.
So please shave now.
इंटर्न कलेक्शन.
I want blood stat.
ऑलर.
Please कर डालना.
अरे intern.
I mean seriously, वो सुन के मैं पक गई हूँ यार 2 महीने से.
Staffy please लेबल कर दो ना. Staffy please.
माफ बन, कितना काम करेगी. Bed 234 angioarterial ECG.
मेहरुनिसा का कलेक्शन करने, ज़ैबुनिसा को एनजीओ डालते और सैफुनिसा का BGCM भेजते.
तुझे साइन नहीं मिलेगा. I'll make sure you're not get sign.
एक खाना खाया ना, चल 5 नंबर को एनजीओ डाल.
अरे चाय लाना. छोटे कैंटीन का मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता. नहीं वो EMS वाला भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है. बड़े वाले कैंटीन से लेके आ, और मैम के लिए छोटे वाले कैंटीन से लेके आ, उनको छोटे वाले कैंटीन का अच्छा लगता है.
सर कितना खून निकालोगे, निकाल के खून खत्म हो गया बॉडी में.
अरे तू कुठे होतास? तुला कधीचा फोन ट्राय करतोय, तू आला नाहीस.
रिपोर्ट ट्रेस करना, अभी के अभी रिपोर्ट चाहिए. अभी के अभी जा, कॉल कर, कुछ भी कर, इसका रिपोर्ट चाहिए, अभी के अभी चाहिए, स्टैट में चाहिए. अरे तुम क्या कर रही हो? उसका फोलिस बोला था ना, वो ज्यादा अर्जेंट है, उसको आउटपुट नहीं है. जल्दी कर, जल्दी इसका USG करा के ला, कैसे भी मोबिलाइज कर. आई डोंट नो, मोबिलाइज करो.
Patient asking me as if I am a sister. Sister, please do this. Sister, please do this.
In Jogeshwari, this patient came. He was like a man of 55 or something. He's like कि यहाँ पे बहुत जगह है. I'm like pan 40. 1 in the morning for 3 days. Like अभी आपको ठीक लगेगा. Don't come after 3 days अगर अच्छा लगेगा. Next day he comes. आपने तो दवाई दी ना, बहुत अच्छा लगा. You know, like I just gave you pan 40. I'm like cool. He's like बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. आप अच्छे डॉक्टर हो, बहुत ही अच्छा दवाई दिया.
There's an Austrian guy in the emergency. He's on drugs, I feel. And so was examining him. He asked him to show his tongue. And what he did was he pulled down his pants.
After 48 hours of surgery emerged, I was told to insert Foley's into a patient. In the sleep deprived condition, I wasn't able to differentiate between Ryle's tube and a Foley's tube. And I was trying to insert that Foley's tube for continuously 4 to 5 minutes into nostrils.
Once when I was posted in pediatrics, I had to take a patient to Tata Hospital
And while coming back, the grandfather of the child was very happy and he bought me lunch in Trupti.
People have actually given me blessings कि मैडम आपकी वजह से बहुत अच्छा हो गया. I don't know how. And even in the OPD, if you prescribe, even if you are prescribing just Diclo and Rantac, and the patient goes, मैडम आपकी दवाई से बहुत अच्छा हो गया, अभी बिल्कुल भी दर्द नहीं है, ये दवा बहुत अच्छा है. So then it feels really nice.
There is a mama, I don't know his name, I don't even remember which ward or which OPD he's in, but wherever he sees me, he will go out of his way to come and shake my hand. I was posted in medicine. He got some relative of his to EMS around 9 or 10 at night apparently, when it's really crowded. And apparently I was the only person who listened to him and went to the patient and did his ECG and got it reported, or found that he had an MI. And then he was shifted to the ICCU. So he does not forget that. Wherever I go, he pursue me and say hello. सर कैसे हो?
वन्स पोस्टिंगमध्ये जेव्हा ॲक्च्युली पेशंट एक सुसायडल केस होती तिला अजिबात म्हणजे इच्छाच नव्हती, तिला जगायची इच्छा नव्हती. काउन्सिल केलं मी, तू ते तुझ्या पोरांसाठी जग वगैरे. ती जरा सॉर्ट ऑफ ती म्हणली, सर तुमच्या ह्याच्यामुळे मला थोडं चांगलं वाटलं आणि आता मला जगायचं आहे.
Yes.
Obviously.
Yeah, sure.
No, I think I'll give others a chance.
Yes. Yes. A million times. Yes. I would.
Next question.
Internship, no. Everything else, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, I would.
No, definitely. Like even if I get suppose PG in science, I'll definitely take it.
Science internship I'll choose definitely for medicine, surgery, all the experience, yeah. The residents do a brilliant job because just imagine you have 40-50 admissions in male plus female and they present all those cases to lecturer and HODs. It's a very big thing. You have to be cool, you have to be calm. That's what I learned in internship. The way they talk. At least that much I learned, how they approach. Even if you don't know, how can you hide your mistakes? That one thing I definitely learned. It is going to help me in my housemanship.
It's particularly for localites. Mumbai ke log are much better than Delhi ke log.
Be happy.
Stay in touch.
Let's go to AIMS trip again.
Be rightful. Be on the right track.
सगळ्यांना ऑल द बेस्ट.
मित्रांनो विसरू नका.
तुम्ही जसे आहात तसे राहा. This is too sandy.
So please shave now.
In case I come in your hometown or somewhere, for all the guys, make sure wives make 2 sabji, sweet dish, everything for me when I come. And for the girls, nothing. We'll go out for shopping and chilling out.
I'm finally joining Facebook. Please add me. Please add me.
मला सायन खूप आवडतो. मला शियाली.
Don't laugh.
Work hard, because talent never work hard. We are doctors, we have to work hard.
Always remember that at least one of your batchmates is always a phone call or a message away.
10 years from now, we are definitely having a reunion. Pursue your goals, put your entire effort into it, and wish you best of luck in life and elsewhere. And love you.
Bye.